Hello IT Pros and welcome back to my IT workshop. This is Alvin, and in this video I'm having a problem with this HP ProBook 640G3. It's making some noises, so we're going to see what's going on. So the process in this video is going to work for many HP laptops, not for all, but for many. All right. So I'm going to connect it to the charger. I'm going to open it, and we are going to turn it on. And we're going to see what's going on. So I turn it on, and right away we can hear some beeps. So let's listen to them. So 3 long ones and 2 short ones. And it does that all the time. There is no change. You can leave it like connected for 24 hours and it's going to do the same all the time. So we cannot do much here. We have to shut it down, and we are going to troubleshoot it using hardware. So there is something, it's telling us that there is some hardware issue with this laptop. So once you shut it down, I'm going to disconnect it from the charger and I'm going to turn it over. So we have to remove the case. Depending on the model that you may have, you are going to have more or less screws to remove. In this case, I'm going to use my Phillips screwdriver. We have 8 screws in this model, and we have to remove them so we can take out the cover. I have done some videos in the past about the same problem, or almost the same problem for Dell. So if you're interested in that, you can click on the top right of this screen or on the video description below. And now it's a good time for you to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. So once we have removed all the screws, very slowly we're going to remove the cover because we don't want to break anything. And right away we have access to part of the motherboard. And as you can see, you can notice what the problem is. The RAM is not seated correctly, right? But before that, I'm showing you that I'm not wearing any jewelry or any watches, and I'm going to discharge the static electricity I might have in my body by touching a metallic surface, as you can see me do there. So after that, we can see that the RAM is not correctly seated, and the problem also can be that the RAM, the physical card, is not working correctly, or one of the sockets on the motherboard, like I'm showing you there, is not working. So you have to change it, either seat it in another socket or change the RAM module. Okay, so we're going to seat it now correctly. We make sure that it's not loose. And as I'm showing you, there is the M2 SSD, the fan for the processor, the battery, and all the components. So now that we are sure that is seated correctly, we're going to put back the cover. So again, if you want to check how to upgrade the BIOS version of an HP or Dell laptop, the videos for that is in the video description below. So now the cover is back, and we're going to connect the charger for the laptop. And we're going to open it, and we're going to start to turn on the laptop. So we press the power button here, and now we are going to wait. So we can see the HP logo there. We don't hear any noises, and as you can see, Windows is working. So we can log into Windows. We have access to it. So this is how you fix this problem: three long beeps and 2 short. Okay, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other comment or questions, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.